There are basic notes that represent 4 beats, 2 beats and 1 beat. But what about 3 beats? If you're not familiar with the basic musical note values, then you may want to watch my video on the subject before watching this video. If we want to write a note that lasts 3 beats, we can take a minim, also called a half note, and add a dot after it. The dot tells us to make the note last longer by half its original value. A dotted minim has the value of a minim, which lasts for 2 beats, added to a note half its value, which would be the crotchet, also called the quarter note, which lasts for 1 beat. So a dotted minim lasts for 3 beats in total. Let's listen to an example. The note is written in a slightly different place depending if the note head is sitting on the line of the stave, also known as the staff, or in a space. If the note head is sitting on the line, the dot will sit in the space above the line the note head is on. If the note is sitting between the lines, the dot will sit directly next to the note head in the same space. Be careful, the dot of a dotted note always sits next to the note head, not under or above it. If there is a dot under or above the note, this tells us to play the note staccato, or in a detached fashion. This is known as an articulation mark, and we'll cover articulation marks in a different video. A dot can be added to any of the notes we've looked at so far in this series. Let's look at another example. A dotted crotchet has the value of a crotchet, which lasts for 1 beat, added to a note half its value, which is the quaver, also called an 8th note, which lasts for half a beat. So a dotted crotchet lasts for 1.5 beats in total. If you're thinking this is starting to look a lot like maths, you'd be right. A dotted quaver is a little more difficult as we'll be adding fractions of a beat together, so let's have a look. A dotted quaver has the value of a quaver, which lasts for half a beat, added to the note of half its value, which is a semiquaver, also called a 16th note, which lasts for a quarter of a beat. So a dotted crotchet lasts for 3/4 of a beat in total. Very often we'll see a dotted quaver beamed to a semiquaver to make up a whole beat. This is a very commonly used rhythm, so let's have a listen. If you found this video helpful, you may want to check out this video on naming the notes on the treble clef.